Good morning, dear children. Let's begin our today's class with 2 minutes of silence. Thank you. Now, we know what is ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest. Remember yesterday's video we have done? I had shown you this number chart. The numbers ranging between 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 till 100. Yes? Let's revise what is ascending order with these numbers. I'm going to place these numbers here in the jumble form. Okay. Now we have to arrange them in ascending order using the help of this chart here. Okay. So let's start. Number that comes between 0 to 10. Is there any number that comes between 0 to 10? Yes, we have 7. Then between 10 to 20? No. Then between 20 to 30? Yes, we have 21 here. Then between 30 to 40? No. Then 40 to 50? Yes, we have 49. That comes in the range of 40 to 50. Then between 50 to 60? No. Then 60 to 70? Yes, we have 68. And then between 70 to 80 we have 71. That's the final number. Good job, you all did so well. Now let's look to the next example. So we have another set of examples ready for us. 86, 17, 94, 4 and 2, 12. So let's see. Any number that comes between 0 to 10? 4. I'm going to separate it here. Then between 10 to 20 we have 12 and 17. So in the counting, which number comes before? 12. So I'm going to place 12 first and then 17. Good. Now in the range of 20 to 30, no numbers. 30 to 40, no numbers are there. 40 to 50, 60 to 70, 80 to 90, yes, we have 86. And then finally we have 94, that comes in the range of 90 to 100. Very well. Now we are going to see today's maths practice book work as well. How we are going to solve them? Let's see that. So children, this is the replica of today's maths practice book work. Let's read them out. Question 1 says, look at the numbers given in the boxes. We have 6, 18, 50, 26 and 91. Now, let's read the second instruction. Join these numbers below in ascending order. We have to join these numbers below in ascending order to help the bee reach the flower. Now what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to mark all these 5 numbers here first. We are going to identify these numbers. So the first number is 6. Then we have 18. Then we have 50. Now children, these are not arranged in ascending order. We are going to do this after we have identified these numbers here, and then finally 91. Next step, what we're going to do is we are going to arrange these numbers here only in ascending order. Let's see which number comes first. So remember the number range. Keep this in your mind. The number that comes between 0 to 10, 6, I'm going to write 6 here. Then 10 to 20, I will write 18. Then 20 to 30, I'm going to write 26. So all these three numbers are being used. Then 30 to 40, no numbers. 40 to 50, we have 50. Then 50 to 60, no numbers. 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. We are finally left with 91. That comes in the range of 90 to 100. So I have arranged these numbers here in the ascending order: 6, 18, 26, 50 and 91. Now we are going to join these numbers in ascending order so that the bee reaches to the flower. Should we begin? First number is 6. So we have to go from 6 to 18. So from 6 to 18. Then next we have 18 to 26. So I'll come down from 18 to 26. Then 26 to 50. 26 to 50. Finally 50 to 91. Here. So with the help of the ascending order, the bee has reached the flower. Good job. Let's come to the next exercise of the same page. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. With the help of the number range we have done earlier, the same method we are going to use here as well. Numbers that comes in between 0 to 10. Is there any number? No. 10 to 20? No. 20 to 30? Yes, we have 25. Then 30 to 40? No. 40 to 50? No. 50 to 60? Yes, we have 53. So I'm going to write 53 here. Then 60 to 70, in the range of 60 to 70. Yes, we can see two numbers, 67 and 68. So in the number counting, which number comes before? Is it 67 or 68? 67. So I'm going to place 67 here, and then I'm going to place 68 here. And finally we are left with 91. Now in the same way we are going to do today's maths practice book work. Now children, we are going to open our maths practice book and turn to page number 35. Let's read the topic, numbers. Put today's date. Let's read the instruction. Look at the numbers given in the boxes. Here are the numbers: 8, 81, 45, 23, 79. Second instruction says, join these numbers below in the ascending order to help the cat reach the mouse. Remember what we have done in the previous video? I'm going to mark these 5 numbers here first with the yellow color, so that it gets easy for us to mark it. Then next step we are going to do, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So we will write the numbers in ascending order underneath here. The smallest number will come here, then the second bigger number, then the third bigger, fourth, and then the finally the biggest number. And then we have to help the cat reach the mouse by joining the numbers in ascending order. Okay, just the way we have done in the example work. After we have done this, come down to the question number 2. Let's read the instruction. Arrange the following numbers in ascending orders. Here 3 sets of numbers are given below. You have to write the numbers down here in ascending order. Each number will come on each line. After you have done the entire work, cross-check it very nicely and then ask your parent to check the work, put down the signature, click the picture and then mail it to me. Thank you.